first stock here is going to be GMEX. This is GMEX Robotics. They secured a $4.2 million purchase agreement with an Australian food and beverage group for deployment of intelligent culinary robotic systems. That's 4.2 million Australian dollars, by the way. Here's a peek at the chart. This was penny stock. It is into dollar territory. Sure looks like 150 was the resistance area. We're above the VWAP, so we've made a second leg higher move here. So if this pulls back and maybe holds on the VWAP, maybe that will be a possible entry spot. Quick peek at the short interest. I got nothing from this print, so I have no short interest data on that. Can't tell you if there's going to be a squeeze. I would guess probably not. Looking at this, it trades about 668,000 shares per day. We've done 20 million here today versus a float of 1.2 million. 13, I've never pulled this up in my broker before. I have no idea what GMEX is, but it is a robotic company that's moving on a headline. What say you about this bad boy?
Well, this is actually...
Oh, it's formerly FTEL. Thank you, Wiss. Thank you. I love this chat. Thank you. We've traded FTEL before, so...
I mean... yeah, this was, I mean, it was a, yeah, so it was formerly FTEL, so don't really need to delve into that, but this hasn't been trading on this ticker for too long. As far as the cash goes, it looks like they have a little less than 3 million in the bank. They do, the last reported income statement, they reported over 5 million that they did in revenue, so they're growing their revenue. They're getting their losses to come in a little bit here, but it's just on the edge of profitability right now, as far as I can tell. Not a profitable half of the year yet. I think they only report 2 times a year. As far as the chart goes, it looked like we were coming up to some resistance on the daily chart. Just pull this back up here. I think it was the 20-day SMA that we were running into. That's where we're at right now. The value of that is 139. We're trading at 135. So we might be at an area right now of resistance. Maybe we do see it peak slightly higher above the 20-day SMA and hit 150. But no, I don't know if this is going to have any staying power. Let me look at a smaller time frame here. So like I said, it might pop up and print a little bit higher here. It looks like that's what it's trying to do right now in the pre-market. We did just break through the one. Looks like the 125, 130 area, and that brought us up to 147. Now we're coming back down to test that breakout area as support. VWAP's also in that area at 127. So I would think that right about here at the 125 to 130 area, we're going to want to see the price find that support and trade up from that level. So that would be the best case scenario, but I don't think this is going to go a whole lot higher. We'll see if it does. If it does go beyond 150, I would be looking at $2 as a resistance area.
Okay, so 150 first, maybe 2. We'll see what we end up getting. Good stuff there. GMEX, formerly FTEL. Thank you, Wiss. Bang, bang, bang.